Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing Animal Hospital with a special guest.
Hello.
Explain. Oh, wait, I can't join.
Oh, true.
This is my friend Hazel. Hazel, yeah, she's Hazel. So Okay. Yep. Okay, we're playing Animal Hospital. Never played it. If it jump scares me at all, I'm gonna slap you.
Wait, so, it's different. Like, wait.
Oh wait. Oh my god. Okay, I'm joining you again.
Oh really?
Sorry. So she made the bald group, guys. She's the owner of the bald group, so y'all have to ask her first before me. If we see you in a game and you're bald, or your name is like has bald in it, you're automatically in. Right or not?
I thought they needed to ask us first.
What? Oh my gosh, you look scary.
What color are you?
I don't know, but you look scary as heck.
What color am I?
Pink.
Oh, you're like beige, and you have the same face as me.
You look scary.
Okay, so Catalea, when your sanity is really low, you have to get a cup of coffee. Oh.
I look like that?
Yeah, but you're beige.
Wait, I don't know. Oh. Want to check in patient. Wait, how do I know if she's like good or not?
Look at her picture. If she acts weird, or her picture has to be the exact same.
Oh.
So, do you want to take care of her in room 1?
No, you got that. You got that, girl. Here, wait. I want to see how you do this. Hazel, you look scary.
You look scary, more scarier.
What happens if she's not good?
Did you check her?
Yeah, but what happens if she's not good?
I'll be mad at you.
Yeah, but what would she do?
I'll slap you.
Yeah, but what would she do?
I don't know. I don't have a mistake before this game.
Okay, come on.
I'm treating this patient. Hold on.
I'm scared. Okay, I'm coming. Dang. Hello.
You had a stomach ache, not your head got hurt.
Hazel, move. Wait. I think he's the same, right? He's the same, right?
I think so.
My sanity's like 6'7". Hazel, you look scary. I think he's fine.
You do it.
No, can you come with me?
I did it. Okay, he's safe.
Come.
No.
Hazel, you know what? Never mind. Hazel!
Why don't you want to go?
I want you to come with me.
Why?
Because
I need to take care of the patient.
Wow. If he's
normal.
Wait, how much can my sanity be at? He looks ugly. Oh, he has dry eyes. Oh yeah, the doctor came. Okay, how do you make it? Wait, how do you make coffee?
Let's fix it.
Why are you shutting
Okay, so
it?
Catalea, if it does normally, you just close the shutters on them.
Oh, okay.
And you check the cameras.
What's sheriff report?
Do you see the cameras right behind you?
Ooh, excellent. Oh, Hannah. Oh, they caught you the best.
Yes, I'm better than you.
Wow. Okay, that's shift 1.
Look at the window. Callie, look. Look, just look.
What?
Look behind you.
What the helly?
Hey, you want to come in with us?
What the helly ain't not?
Can you leave, sir? He gave me a jump scare.
Can I see you?
Can you leave? I'm asking you to leave. Hello? Thank you, and stop staring at me.
Bro, like everyone's innocent. Like, I don't understand this. You have to do this one because I did the last one. How about can you treat the patients and I do the patients?
Nuh-uh, you're gonna have to treat some of the patients too.
Well, I'm bad. I'm scared.
It's safe, don't worry. Do that patient, okay?
He says my name is Never mind. I don't want to talk to you, so that's why I'm not talking. I'm just trying to do your paper. If there's one thing wrong, is that so bad?
Yeah. Why? What's wrong about him?
I think it's fine though. Like his, never mind. I think, yeah, he's fine. Oh my gosh, I'm good. Hazel! Please. If I get jump scared, I'm slapping you. What room is he in?
Long enough, sir.
I'm scared to turn around.
Why?
Because what happens if I turn around and he just jump scares me? Maple syrup. UV drops and maple syrup. What's UV drops?
Oh, I got 10 minus sanity because of a stalker.
Hazel, you know I'm tired of this game. I don't like it. It's scaring
What do you
me.
mean?
It's
gonna
scary.
be fun. You have to wait. Why am I getting all the jump scares first?
They know I can't handle it for real.
No, I literally got jump scared by a stalker. He was a long, creepy
Bro,
guy.
there's no more coffee.
Just wait for the coffee. Wait, how much sanity do you have?
What?
How much sanity do you have?
75.
35?
75.
75?
Yeah.
Oh, I have 64.
What can you not be at? Okay, like, how long is your patient taking? And that one girl just keeps on sitting in lobby. Oh, the doctor's here. Okay. Hazel, I hate that. Okay, so far none of them has been anomalies. Why does it keep on calling you the best when I have to go all the way over there?
How about this? You do that, maybe you'll get the best.
How about I check in the patients, please?
Oh my god, there's a camera down. We have to check it. How does this camera get broken?
Bro, like, I know every single one's gonna be in it. Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god. Hazel, I turn around, you're like this. You're like this. Turn around. Like, what the heck? Why does this girl keep on sitting in lobby?
I don't know. Maybe she just wants a VC to just dance and give out stuff.
Okay.
Because she's bored.
I got room 3.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh my gosh, I love you. Why did you close it?
Hey, buddy. I got Bunny.
He looks infected. But like every single one's just gonna be innocent.
No, some are bad. I've seen bad ones.
Can you come with me?
I have my own patient.
Yeah, but we're going in the same type of hallway.
I did it. It just threw up.
Oh. Guys, I think I just saw something, but I don't know. I think I just saw the plant. Wait, what do you need? Stomach headache. Okay, he needs both of those. Medication and herbs. What does herbs even do?
It helps your stomach ache.
Now I'm going. Is this the throw up?
Yeah.
It's not throw up, it's slime.
Oh.
Maybe he's bad.
Wait, what?
Come look at him.
I see it. And the picture's blurry.
Hazel, come in before I close it.
No, just close it. It's okay. Did you do your picture? I already did.
Yeah, I did my patient.
He's an anomaly. Did you like his smile though? It was beautiful.
He's looking behind me. There's more anomalies.
I killed a patient by accident.
Hazel.
Because I gave it the wrong
Oh my gosh.
IV drops. How did
Hazel, there's more. Oh my gosh. This is like too easy though.
Oh my god, we're calling the door.
Did you close it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oh my gosh, after when he left, when the guy left, he was turning his head and looking backwards even though he's walking this way.
Do you want me to do the patient?
Yes, please.
Still here? Huh. The last guy who got eaten by the bed monster. That's why I always carry maple syrup with me.
He got something with him.
Wait, hold up, I need my coffee.
I think he's just crazy. Okay, like Hazel, you're scaring me. Because I'm looking forward and then whenever I turn around, I'm like, where are you? And then you're next to me.
Wait, watch me, because you won't know how to do it. Watch me.
Okay, I'm watching you on the cameras.
You won't be able to zoom in on room 7.
No, there is. I could go in room 7. I could see.
Oh, you can?
Yeah. But I can't go in the room.
Set up. Do the machine thing to kill him.
Okay, so let's not say that. I feel like this girl's just depressed or something in our lobby.
Maybe he is. Maybe he just has a bad day.
Patient's on fire? Oh shoot! I'm sorry, I can't. Oh my god.
Did you do him?
Yes. Oh, okay.
What happened?
Oh my god.
What happened?
Oh my god.
What happened? Tell me what happened.
I was walking, right? And then I saw the guy there, standing there, and he's jump scared me. It got all dark, and I'm like, what the heck? And then I screamed you, and then, oh my god.
Oh,
Okay, he's fine. Hazel, I'm not doing anything else after that.
come on.
I just hurt my heart by screaming that loud.
I can't do this all the time or my sanity is gonna go really down.
Bro, I don't have any coffee and I'm at 50.
You go.
Go what?
I did the last guy.
Bro, I need my coffee.
Just go to green, it's gonna be okay.
Wait, no, I need coffee. Hazel, if I got jump scared, I'm slapping you in the face.
Okay, let me buy this.
Hazel, stop jump scaring me. Hazel, if I get jump scared, you don't even have any Robux. What do you mean?
Yeah, exactly. So I want you. What room is it? Room 4?
Oh my gosh, I hate you.
Don't worry, I'm watching you. I think it's room 4, right? When I see your bald little bunny ears.
Definitely a little cake on it.
Ooh.
So much better.
I hate mine. Mine looks ugly. I'm kind of depressed right now. I don't like this girl. There's someone in room 5. You need to do him.
There's someone in 5, but you never did?
No, you were supposed to do him.
No, I was doing that guy, but then you checked him in.
I didn't check anyone in though. I only checked in this girl.
Callie, come.
No.
Just come look.
No. Why are you doing him though?
Where'd you go?
Help me! Help me!
I told you not to go.
I don't like you.
I told you not to go.
I wanted to come in with you. You're lucky you didn't see my jump scare. Here, what does he need?
I got all of them.
Did you get the eye drops?
Like that. Yes. Perfect. I don't know. A doctor.
I hate this doctor.
Doctor.
This is gonna be our last one.
Do you want to go anywhere?
Some patients
Yeah, I'll go, but like I don't know where.
You have to go, get upstairs, get dressed, and do your hair.
Make sure to use the photo and camera. Stay alert.
Okay.
I will unlock the taser. Use it wisely.
So I have to go.
Oh.
Bye. Sorry I had to end it early. I was going to the mall.